Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 23 of our two-step process to manifest a miracle in your life. Here on day 23, I've had a couple of people reach out to me with comments such that I thought I would be a little bit further along. I'm not quite as far along as I thought I would be. If you're not quite as far along as you thought you would be, don't lose faith in the process and don't give up and don't quit. Because no matter how far along you are further along than people who never made an attempt in the first place. It's okay to give yourself more time. It's okay to give yourself another week, another 2 weeks, another 30 days. It's okay to give yourself permission to not accomplish something in such a short time frame as long as you are making leaps and bounds of progress towards it. I know for sure that if you have stuck with us throughout this entire program, I know that you're having leaps and bounds of progress. That is what you should be looking for to demonstrate to you that this is working. Don't give up. Stick with it. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.